Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another makeup video and today I have got this Barbie pink look for you guys. This is mostly a day look. You can wear it in day and just pair it up like I have paired it with white color clothing or any pink color clothing, I guess. This is a very subtle and very sheen look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I am going to be prepping my face, for which I'm using Body Shop Vitamin E emulsion. This has SPF also. I'm first going to do my eyes because I don't want any fallout niche. I'm using Maybelline Master Prime to prime my eyelids. So for the concealer, I'm using Revolution का concealer, conceal and define, and I'm using this brush. It's all dried up. Now I'm going to use this Cover FX का translucent powder to set my eyes, like the eyelids. Now for the eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty ka Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm going to create a look using this. So first, I'm going to use this color over here of Balance. This this pink color, salmon color right here, to just use it as my transition color. Moving on, I'm going to use this color, purplish, like lavenderish color, on right over here. The color is Libra. I'm going to use this color, Hot Mess, and go around my crease area a little and also darken this area a little. I'm placing this right here first. And go into my crease a little bit. So moving on, I'm going to use this color right here, Cosmic. It's a little glittery shade on my eyelid. I'm just going to use a little bit and put it in the center. You see? And now for the final one, I'm using this. I want to use this shade so bad, so I'm going to use it. Silver Moon. It's this silvery shade which I have to like. I'm just gravitating towards it. I need to use this. Look at this color, and I'm going to use this in the inner corners and stretch it till the lid. Okay, so I'm going to go in the first shade that I used of Balance and blend it all together quickly. Just do my liner quickly off screen and come back. I'm done with my eyeliner and now let's move on to our face. For which I'm going to be using this Color Bar ka Perfect Selfie Primer for my base. This is very liquidy, I must say. This does not give you a silicone based effect like the silicone based primers give you, but it still keeps your makeup like dewy, because I'm going to use a very matte foundation on my skin. I need a little bit of dewiness into my skin and not use the silicone primer, as it will just make my skin more dry. For people who have dry skin, make sure that you include lots and lots of liquid products, lots of hydrating products, so that even if you wear a long lasting foundation, it does not patch you up, or it does not dry your skin that way. It's better this way. So moving on, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Amirati. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. I'm only be using one pump of it because, as I told you guys, my skin is really dry. If it's oily, this foundation suits oily skin best. Moving on, my MAC Strobe Cream, one pump of that because I don't want my skin to be extra matte. Just mix everything up pretty nicely. I'm using my foundation brush. I'm not a beauty blender person. I'm using this, on which I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Prep and Prime spray. This has the golden hue to it, a little bit of golden glitter. I'm using that one. You see, so whenever you use Huda Ka foundation, those of you use, you know how mattifying it is and how full coverage it is. But because I use that primer and I use strobe cream underneath, along with it, actually not underneath, it just gave me this sheen glow, It looks really pretty. Moving on to concealer, I'm using LA Girl in shade Peach. I've used multiple concealers and none of them worked good for me except for this one. Moving on, I'm going to set my under eye with the same Cover FX translucent powder. I don't like to bake my under eyes or the highlighted portions because it just does not work for me. It just gives that patchy look, so I don't really bake. Now with a very light hand, because I have a very nice texture, like a glowy texture to my skin, I don't want to use translucent powder all over my face. So with a very light hand, I'm just going to use a little bit of powder and just, oh my god, that's a lot of powder, and just use it all over my face. Not all over my face, just the areas where I sweat a lot. Yeah, that's it. For the under eye, I'm using the Supermoon, the white shade, the Supermoon shade again. Moving on, I'm using Libra. And lastly, I'm using Off Balance to blend it all. For my inner corners, I'm using the shade Galaxy. This is actually golden, but I'm just going to use it in my inner corner, so that's fine. Yeah, I like it. My eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is in the shade, I guess, 5. For setting my brows, I'm using Benefit 24-hour Brow Setter. Now I'm going to bronze my face using my Hoola bronzer. Now for blush, I'm using this NARS Duo palette. This is a bronzer plus a little of blush. I think I reckon the blush is Orgasm. For highlight, I'm using my Mary Lou Manizer. For lipstick, I'm first using this Oriflame ka lipstick. This is a very old lipstick. I don't know if I have the number also, but it is the prettiest pink that I have ever owned. This is the pink that it is. I'm just going to tint my lips using this lipstick and top it off with a gloss. I think I like it this way. And then I'm going to top it off with Huda Beauty ka lip strobe. I reckon this is in the shade Snobby. So you just saw how I created this Barbie pink look today. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. फिर मिलेंगे. Bye.